What if I told you that your graphics card and processor weren't the most important part of a gaming computer? Okay, I'd be lying, but only because I said computer. When we're talking about setups or battle stations, I've lost count of the number of epic builds bottlenecked by one thing at the very end. The display you're plugging everything into. Look, I get it. Computers are expensive, and a lot of people want to max out their budget on getting the baddest build they can. And I'm not trying to stop you. But before you go wild into the world of mechanical keyboards or buy an MMO mouse, think about your monitor. It's one of the easiest upgrades to immediately make everything look better, and good monitors are the cheapest they have ever been.